everybody, Ken Salvail here today talking about onion sets. One of the ways that you can grow onions is with these little like baby onions you can buy in bags at your local garden centers. You'll find that there's a lot of different varieties you can grow, but they all have sort of one thing in common, is that when you do grow from onion sets, they're notoriously slow to get going in the springtime. They just take a long time. I can put them out very early, like even if it's freezing at night, it's fine. They'll be fine, but just what happens is they're very, very slow to get going. So sometimes it's not until June until they start pushing up. And really they only grow until about the end of July, and then by that time it's time to harvest. So what I find is that if you want to get the most out of your onion sets, if this is the way you like to do it, I always get mine started early. So this is what we're looking at here. So what I've done is I'll show you these onion sets here that I started about 2 to 3 weeks ago, somewhere in that range. And you can see they just popped up right away. So I'm growing them indoors. These ones I had a little heating pad. So all I did is I took a 6-pack and I just pushed them in just like these ones here. I just pushed one into each cell, and with a little bit of potting soil, and then I just watered them in. Basically that's it. Put them on a little heated pad. The heat pads are really nice for getting plants started in the spring, and that's pushed these guys up really nicely. So now when I'll start to slowly integrate these outside so they get used to the outdoor temperatures. But you know what? They're still frost resistant. Onions love to grow cold. So right now is a good time to put them out. We're in early April right now. It's still kind of freezing a little bit at night, but onions are fine with that. But if I'm going to grow from onion sets, I want to get them started. These are ones that I've just planted. I'll get these on a little heated bench, and these guys will be up like this in about a week or two, and then I can plant them outside, and they're already growing. They're ready to go. So it doesn't take much from this point to get them growing into full-size onions. But it is a big problem because they're so slow to get started with onion sets. They're so dormant when you plant them out, and the earth is cold, so they don't want to grow. So what we're doing is we're putting them on a heated pad that's going to push them, a little bit of water, a little bit of TLC, and we get them up like this, and this is just ideal for planting out. So that's it for today on onion sets. Super easy to grow and super easy to plant. And don't forget to use with all your onions is to put a little bit of insect mesh over them, and that helps to keep the little insects and pests away from them, particularly the onion maggot, which is a really bad little fly. So anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in to Grower Coach.